Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. So, today's topic is without execution, knowledge is useless. Let's suppose if you want to break a stone, you have a hammer in your hand but don't want to use it, then what will happen? The stone will not break. In the similar way, if you are an archer and you are master in it but don't want to teach anyone or share your skills, then that skill is useless. Knowledge has the power to change anything only if we take the right action. Knowledge is power, but without action is useless. There is no point to being a genius if you don't use your intelligence and knowledge to doing something good. Knowledge is the bullet and action is the gun. If they both combine, then only we can do. We all know one popular saying: vision without execution is hallucination, just imagination, nothing else. Simply, knowing information is not anymore relevant in this world right now. If you can't use your knowledge, your information, your skills for something better, so there is no point to have that skills. This is true that without knowledge we can't do anything, but without doing action, this is also true that we can't do anything. Knowledge without action is just like burden. Action is the curse of our life. Without action we can't do anything. Knowledge has the power to unlock all the doors, but only if we want to unlock them. So, have proper knowledge of anything, whatever your niche is. But if you have the knowledge but don't take the action, then there is no use of that knowledge. So, have knowledge, take action, get results for yourself. And if you know that you are something good in any of the niche, then share your knowledge, your skills, your expertise, your mastery to someone who need it most. Because by sharing, we caring. By sharing, we increase our knowledge. We increase our respect in others' mind, in others' heart as well. So, have the proper knowledge, take action, and get results into your court. Thank you.